Good evening, everyone. I'm Jenny Montgomery.
I'm Brad Means. We do thank you for joining us as coverage you can count on begins with the Supreme Court giving states the right to ban gender-affirming care for minors.
Caroline Yaffa looks at how the ruling will impact South Carolina.
With a vote 6-3, the United States Supreme Court upheld Tennessee's law, banning puberty blockers and hormone therapy for transgender kids.
This decision by the court today feels like a slap in the face. But no matter what the court or politicians say, transgender people are not alone in this fight.
In May of 2024, Governor McMaster signed a law called Help Not Harm. The law bans doctors from prescribing gender transition medications or performing gender transition surgeries on anyone under 18. The American Civil Liberties Union fought the law in court and says this ruling hurts transgender minors and adults.
Transgender young people will be denied access to appropriate health care. And importantly, this is health care that all major medical associations in this country have determined to be safe.
Supporters say it's about protecting children from what they call irreversible and experimental procedures. Senator Danny Verdon, who was the sponsor of South Carolina's bill, sent us this statement that reads in part: "The facade of so-called gender-affirming care is collapsing as Americans begin to see this ideology for what it really is: dangerous." Governor Henry McMaster says this ruling is a major victory for South Carolina and the entire country. He said in a post on X, protecting our children from irreversible gender transition procedures should not be controversial. It's common sense. The ACLU says this law is in clear violation of the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.